Hi Burbank students and parents, this is Mr. Huang, and in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the Getting to Know You spreadsheet on Google Sheets. When you open up the sheet, you should see your teacher's name here, followed by the grade level in parentheses. Right now mine just says example in grade level because students in grades 1 through 6 will be watching this video. Now you're going to fill in one row only on this sheet. First, you're going to double click your mouse in the column that says first name. So you can click it once first until you see it turn blue. After it's blue, you would have to double click in it, and then you would see a cursor blinking, this little line right here blinking, and you can type in your first name. You're going to do the same thing for the next column, which is your last name. Click it one time to make it blue, and then double click it so you can type inside of it. The next box is for a picture of yourself. This is going to be very important because we're going to be using this function a lot this year to turn in work. So after you click the box once to highlight it in blue, you're going to go up to the menu and click Insert, Image, and Image in Cells is what you're going to be clicking. This box should pop up or something similar to it. You're going to click on Camera. When you click on camera, it's going to access your laptop's camera or your desktop's camera. And then you simply look in the camera and you're going to click the blue button. And then click Insert. Notice your picture will be put inside of the box. Next, click in Art Activity, Favorite Art Activity. Click in it once to get the blue box again, and then you're going to double click. And what I mean by this is, what do you like doing most in art? Do you like drawing, painting, computer arts? Whatever your choice is, you'll type it in here. So I'm just going to put painting in here. And then I'll move into the next box. I'll click in it once again for favorite food this time. After you click it once, look for the blue border, and then you're going to double click and type in what your favorite food is. Mine is pizza. The last column, you click on it once again, and then you double click it until you see a little cursor blinking, and it says anything you would like your classmates to know about you. So currently, I'm writing my second children's book, so I am working on my second children's picture book. Feel free to add as little or as much as you want into that column. After you do that, just click outside the box and make sure it is saved to Drive right here. If you close it too early, it will not save all of your entries. So make sure it says it's saved, or you see a little cloud with a check mark in it. After you're done with that, that's all you have to do. You can close it and you're done.